How to fix keeps updating in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, turn off auto download. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on auto download. Now here you will see never using Wi-Fi, only using Wi-Fi or mobile data. And if you want to turn off auto download, then click on never. After click on never, turn off auto download from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps updating in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.